The main thing was like we said, because we knew that we make all 3D drawings, and we needed that 3D drawing to create the bill of material automatically into OmegaCube. Instead of old way of doing, making template and they create a bill of material, manually change it, that kind of stuff, And then once we got the bill of material converted into OmegaCube, also we want to make sure the code that we're using communicated with the purchasing and outsource, so that when we send the bill of material to a fabricator, they know which part will be supplied by us, which part they will going to manufacture, because we had an inventory at the subcontractors. We had a Green Bay, Wisconsin was one subcontractor, GMW which in Iowa which is another major subcontractors, and naturally we got electrical panel builder with the other contractor. But the Green Bay and Iowa, they also kept their inventory for us. Because a lot of parts, a lot of standard parts, we didn't want to order again and again, so they will order it. So we want to make sure that inventory control and purchasing is a streamlined using the OmegaCube. So those are again, customization came into the play.